This 1950 Remington portable typewriter has been refurbished and is ready to type. This Remington typewriter types beautifully. It has a very nice vintage look to it. It is from 1950. The paint does have some flaws. It's kind of has some cracking going on here. There's a chip here. Most of the chips in the paint or bad spots are on this paper rest up here. You might not normally see them if there's a piece of paper in there, but there are several marks along there. But it looks pretty good overall. It does have a real cool vintage look to it, I think. This typewriter also comes with its original case, which has been cleaned and is solid and latches well. It does have some marks on it. It looks pretty good overall. It did have some significant cracking, which has been repaired now. That's why you see these wooden strips in here and along here to reinforce it. It really looks pretty good. It's for the 1950 Remington portable typewriter.